Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Everyone, today is FENC Day. We all understand that it is marked by walkathons here in Suva, in Nasinu, Singatoka, Nandi, Lotoka, Lambasa, and Sabu. And specifically to raise funds for the foundation of the education of the needy children of FENC. FENC, as we all know, is a non-profit organization, and it was set up in late 2009 under the auspices of the government, which provided it with the seed funding. And since then, we have made an annual budget contribution of $200,000. Sorry, $200,000 annually. And the main purpose of FENC is to assist disadvantaged children to have access to education. Times, of course, have changed since 2009. Now we have free bus fare, free school fees, free education, subsidized bus fares, even free milk and Weet-Bix, and also contribute to capital development projects in a lot of schools. This obviously has meant FENC has to change its focus in the education assistance sector, and FENC is now focused on providing assistance by way of uniforms, stationery, footwear, food, and other forms of education-related assistance. FENC, of course, as with the policy of my government, is to give assistance based on a transparent means test, and that is done by the officials based on transparent means test and on merit. I therefore appeal to individuals in the corporate sector to contribute to FENC. It will give the business houses and the privilege to exercise social responsibility, of course, and for the philanthropic activities. It should be noted that Fiji First government provides tax exemptions for donors to FENC. Today, in 8 centers across the country, the Ministry of Health personnel are also present in Suva. The police jazz band will be joining us later, I understand. So it's a day that we take steps to make our people to be a bit more health conscious, have some fun, and most importantly, help those, educate those in need. And I wish everyone an enjoyable morning as you walk around or crawl. And thank you.